Maddie a Stream Deck? I didn't even know Maddie had a Stream Deck. What? Oh, a stenographer. Hey, I know a stenographer. Not gonna say their name, but I know a stenographer. Do I look like a stenographer, actually? Okay, chat. You are all under oath as if... Right now, everyone in chat is under oath and will be found in contempt if you lie under oath. Chasu, I assume. Doesn't Chasu? Thank you. ... Okay. Damn it, CRJ. Ah. You got a deck for birthday. You got a deck for birthday. Yes, I did. I did. Robot. SoCo. All right. If, hold on, where's the shift key?